During this video, we're going to show you a bit about using and maintaining the dishwasher in your home.
That's right.
Justin, what's the most important thing before the first time you actually use your dishwasher?
Andrea, good point. First thing you want to do before you use your dishwasher, you want to make sure your water supply is on. Let's go take a look. Excuse my back. So if you look down here, you're going to have a valve down here. You just want to turn it on. And now you got water to your dishwasher.
Okay, so the water's on.
Yep.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
And let's take a look inside the dishwasher.
Okay.
First thing I want to show you is the detergent tray.
Okay.
You've got your area for loading your detergent in here and your rinse aid just beside. What we recommend with the dishwasher detergent is using a tablet style. You see it's got a bit of a plastic coating around it.
I can just put that in with
you
the plastic
can put
coating?
that directly in.
Wow.
And this machine, we specifically recommend that you use a rinse aid to optimize the washing and drying performance.
I like that label's so easy too. That's great.
It's really easy, and
Yeah.
you can see an indicator here.
That's great.
What would happen if you used a regular dishwasher, like a dish soap?
Andrea, Andrea, great point. What will happen, it will cause oversetting, and the machine might not work as properly as it should. So we recommend that you use either a tablet, like she said, or use a product that's specifically designed for dishwashers.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's move on to loading and
Okay.
preparing your dishwasher.
All right.
Do you do any of the loading of the dishwasher at home?
I do, and when I do it, I just clean the dishes and I put them in.
So you clean the dishes before you clean the dishes?
I do, yeah.
Okay, so you don't have to do that anymore.
No?
No,
Great.
with Whirlpool appliances, you just have to simply scrape the food out.
Okay.
Any hard items, anything that's in there that's going to clog the machine, you remove and then you load it without washing or rinsing.
Wow.
I'll give you an example. This is ready
Just
to
like
load.
that? I don't need to
No.
clean them at all?
No,
Wow, that's
this is
really
ready
good.
to go and you let the machine do the work for
Oh,
you.
That's a great feature.
Okay. When you also load, avoid overlapping the items.
Okay.
So give everything its space so they clean the way they should. And any plastic items or small items and glasses should really go in the upper rack.
Okay.
I do have a favorite feature of the dishwasher.
What is it? What's that?
Silverware basket.
Oh, wow.
So this can be
Okay.
fully removed
Okay.
and you can actually load it from up on the counter.
Oh, that's good.
When you're loading it, just make sure to keep the sharp items pointing down.
Okay.
And when you replace it in the dishwasher, put it in the front rack, put it in the side, or put it back in its place. It's completely up
I like
to you.
that feature.
Very good. So let's close the door and let's get looking at the cycle.
Okay.
You've got your pots and pans, normal, light, and rinse only. And these are really related to the level of soiling on the dishes. Pots and pans would be for heavily soiled items. Normal is expected to do a full wash of normal soiled items. Light is for dishes that are not really soiled. And you've got a rinse only cycle is if you have just a small amount of items in your dishwasher and you don't want to do a full load, but you want to rinse the food off of it or the remnants, you would just do this. And remember not to use detergent when you do that. Now you can also customize your cycle by using a soak and scour. That would be for anything that actually needs it would need manual labor, but you're putting it in here so it will fill up the machine with water and actually let it soak. You've also got some disinfectant features here such as high temp wash, sani rinse. An example of when you might use this would be baby bottles.
Oh, that's a good feature.
Right. You've got heated dry. Rather than an air dry, it'll turn on the heating mechanism and dry your plates and glasses that way through heating. So there's also delay. Sometimes people like to put the machine on right before they go to bed or while they're sleeping. And you've got a 2, 4, and 6 hour option. So once you've selected your cycle, selected the customization, when you want it to start, simply push start and it's done.
What if I forgot something?
If you forget something, good point, we all do. Come back and push the cancel.
Oh, great.
As long as it's before the washing cycle. So it's in the soaking, it's not on the washing cycle, it just started recently. Open the door, make sure the water doesn't come out, and insert whatever you've forgotten, and then to resume it, you push the start resume button.
That's good. That's great.
So let's talk about maintenance.
Okay.
Because you use your dishwasher to clean your dishes, but you also have to clean your dishwasher.
You do.
So as part of your monthly maintenance,
Okay.
I'd recommend using a Fresh.
This is a great product.
This will help remove any odors or remnants on the sides of your machine that might cause odors. Okay. And if you don't have this at home, you can use something simple like white vinegar, which everybody has.
That's good.
In terms of cleaning the exterior of the dishwasher, I would use soft cloth, mild soap, and warm water. If it's a stainless steel finish, such as here, you could use a specific stainless steel wipe, such as the Fresh here.
The Fresh product. This is a great product too.
It's a great product. Anything else you think we should talk about?
Definitely. For any of your service concerns, you'll need to have your model and your serial number handy. You can find them on the inside of the door. If you just take a look right here. Be sure to ask if your appliance is still under warranty.
Thanks, Justin.
You're welcome.
Thanks for taking the time to learn how your dishwasher works. We hope this helps you maintain and use your dishwasher regularly. If you've got any questions that we didn't answer, you might want to visit whirlpool.ca for further clarification.